Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been covering in the resources sector this past week. Energy Pathways plans a 90 megawatt hydrogen facility using technology from Hazer, 3 times bigger than anything approved in the UK so far. It'll also produce clean ammonia and graphite with big cost advantages over green hydrogen.
By manufacturing our ammonia in a clean way within the UK, we believe in a cost competitive way, deliver clean ammonia to consumers within the UK and within the EU.
ACG Metals has raised its production guidance to 36,000 to 38,000 ounces after boosting recoveries and cutting costs by 13%. The company says it's fully funded and on track to switch into copper and zinc production next year.
ACG Metals has always been focused on cash generation. They have a simple view that mining assets are not more, not less than a giant cash printing machine. And our first asset, Gediktepe, is proven to be just this case.
Caledonia Mining has upped its gold production guidance to up to 79,500 ounces for the year. The CEO credits a refreshed management team at the Blanket mine and says it's exploring new zones to extend mine life.
Blanket currently has a life of mine based on reserves being the highest category of resource confidence out for 10 years. And if you include resources measured, indicated and inferred, it's quite a bit longer than that.
Helix Exploration has confirmed helium-bearing zones at its Rudyard field and is now finishing up the helium plant build. Montana's first helium producer is targeting first production soon, with flow testing just around the corner.
With this new well, with the Inez number one, it just further highlights the aerial extent of this field. It's quite large. We just ran logs. The logs look identical to the Linda number one well. So we are really pleased with the results here.
Challenger Energy says permitting is advancing as planned at Area of 1 in Uruguay, with Chevron-led seismic expected by year-end. A new prospect named Bentiveo has also been spotted, with a full technical update coming soon.
So far, the results are pretty encouraging, as we said in our RNS this morning, and we are working towards being able to provide a complete technical update just ahead of kicking off a formal farm-out process, which we're hoping will happen early September.
Iofina posted record first-half iodine output, up 10% year-on-year to 305 tons. Its new IO11 plant goes live this month, and IO12 is due to break ground before year-end.
We see a little bit of expansion in iodine demand, a little bit more increase of production, kind of like from Iofina, but we anticipate iodine prices to be strong here moving forward.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.